I hope you're enjoying this wonderful weekend. Temperatures unseasonably mild, but of course, it's North Carolina. Those nice temperatures will not last very long. So we'll talk about those changes in just a little bit, but we have other changes in the forecast coming up for this weekend. Taking a look at the next 12 hours, we'll look for temperatures to dip down into the mid and upper 50s for tomorrow morning, but you might notice some rain chances on here. We do have a chance of some isolated showers, possibly even some thunderstorms as well. The thunderstorm chances mainly down in the southern portions of the Piedmont Triad, Montgomery County, southern portions of Randolph County as well. But other areas could see some isolated showers throughout the later evening and even into the overnight hours as well. This is not going to be a big rain out, but we do want to keep an eye to the southern Piedmont for the possibility of some severe thunderstorms. We do have a level 1 risk in the areas you see highlighted in green. The biggest risk, of course, will be for heavy rain and strong winds, but in terms of hail, we have about a 5% risk of seeing some large hail and even a 2% chance of some tornadoes. Of course, I'm going to be watching the radar as those storms move through the area. Tomorrow, though, another nice day. Temperatures above average. We're looking at low 70s, so very similar to what we saw for Saturday, but then the changes really start to come. So as we take you through the day tomorrow, we'll start off in the mid and upper 50s for low temperatures, up mid 70s and low 70s for the afternoon, but we'll watch that cold front move through. You can start to see 940. You can see this dip down here. This is that northwesterly flow. That's going to bring in that much cooler air and even some snow showers up for the mountains. Unfortunately, we are not going to see snow here in the Piedmont Triad. This is going to be a mountain snow event. But what we are going to be talking about a lot are these cold temperatures. Keep in mind, our average high for this time of the year, 63 degrees. So we've been running about 10 degrees above average. And then Monday and Tuesday, that's going to be a shock to the system. Not only is it about 20 degrees below average, but almost 30 degrees difference in just 24 hours. So big changes in the terms of temperature. So of course that makes it an impact day. The timing for this, Monday and Tuesday. Not only is it going to be cold, but it's going to be windy as well, and that means wind chill will become a factor as well. Tuesday morning, we could be seeing below freezing temperatures as well. So be prepared not only to dress, but prepare your home as well for those freezing temperatures. Warm front lifting north is going to give us those storm chances today, but then there's that cold front tomorrow as it pushes through. Here comes the colder air down from the northwest, and that's going to bring us cold, dry air, having big impacts for Monday and Tuesday. Bring with it wind as well, breezy for your Sunday and into Monday as well, but the biggest impacts, of course, will be Monday when we'll have high temperatures in the mid 40s. And so with wind gusts getting up to 25 miles per hour, it's going to feel even colder than that. Still keeping it breezy on Tuesday as well. Tuesday morning, that's going to be the coldest day of the week. We're looking at low temperatures below freezing across the area, upper 20s in many areas, and then take a look at the mountains. 18 degrees. So the freshmen at App State are in for a shock. They're going to learn what those cold temperatures are absolutely from this. So mountain snow showers, you see some of the models trying to develop some snow here. That's just a few isolated flurries. No impact on North Carolina weather. When we have snow and moisture coming in from the northwest, it's very dry, very difficult to see anything in the form of precipitation here in the Piedmont Triad. So let's summarize what we've just talked about. Windy and cold Monday and Tuesday. Those are going to be the biggest impact days. Expect highs only in the 40s Monday and Tuesday, and gusty as well. Below freezing temperatures likely for Tuesday morning, and don't be surprised if you see a few flurries. It'll make for nice photos, but it will have no impact on our weather here in North Carolina. Overnight tonight, isolated showers and some fog in the morning, 54 degrees for those morning lows. Then for tomorrow, can't rule out a few isolated afternoon showers, breezy but nice, 72 degrees. And here's your 7-day forecast. Mid 40s for highs Monday and Tuesday, with those morning freezing temperatures about 28 degrees for Tuesday morning. But then we're back into the 60s for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and for Saturday. Dry for the rest of the week.